There's been a robbery. Someone stole all of Chloe's treats from the jar, and she's very sad about it. You are a forensic scientist and have been called in to determine the culprit by analyzing the DNA found in a single hair left at the scene. You have 4 suspects: 1, Bruni; 2, Snoopy; 3, Lacey; and 4, Midge. You have DNA from all suspects and are going to use a fingerprint analysis to determine who the thief was. First, you use a PCR to amplify your collected DNA, and then you run them through a gel electrophoresis to see all the alleles. These are your results. To analyze the DNA fingerprints, you compare the alleles in the victim's and suspect's DNA to those in the evidence at 2 loci. Looking at the victim, one of her alleles matches the evidence, but the other one doesn't, so we can exclude her from leaving the DNA at the crime scene. Suspect number 1 also has one allele that doesn't match, so they can be excluded as well. For suspect number 2, both alleles match the evidence, so he cannot be excluded from leaving DNA. Suspect 3 has no alleles matching the evidence, so she can be excluded. And lastly, suspect 4 also has 2 matching alleles, so she cannot be excluded. Next, you look at the second locus. The victim and suspect 1 have already been excluded by the first locus. Suspect 2 again has matching alleles, meaning he cannot be excluded here either. Although suspect 3 has 2 matching alleles at locus 2, she has already been excluded by locus 1. Suspect 4 has no matching alleles, so she can be excluded here. Thus, we can determine that the guilty culprit is suspect number 2, Snoopy. The fingerprint analysis shows that he stole the treats from Chloe's jar. Additionally, you were able to determine that suspect 3 is the biological mother of suspect 1. This is shown by the fact that at both loci, suspects 3 and 1 share one allele, which suspect 1 received from suspect 3. With all the mysteries solved, Snoopy was asked why he did it, and all he could say for himself was woof.